So welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I decided to go with a wider lens on the GoPro. Last couple of videos, I feel like some of the footage was cut off or something, so I made it a little wider. So if you're new to the channel, we are putting together a Civic. You can kind of see it a little better here. Yes, guys, it's red and it does have scratches and it is an old Honda. And if you missed some of my previous uploads, this is how far we've gotten. We cleaned, resprayed the engine bay, did everything to that. We just did the rack. We got the wiring for the rack inside. And just to make a long story short, we are K-swapping this thing. So that's why that's sitting right there. And I think that should catch you up on everything if you're new here. And today's video was supposed to be us finishing up this harness and running it tucked inside the fender. I had to put that aside and actually get started on this. So this mess right here was me taking apart the ball joints, the wheel bearings, and the studs. I didn't go ahead and record it, but I got one of these done. And let me tell you, it is not as easy as it looks. It's pretty hard if you haven't done it before. Once you get the hang of it, it's not actually that hard. I wish I can clean this up a little bit. I might spray it. What I wish I can do is powder coat this, but I don't know. I'll decide tonight once we get the other side done. Here's the hub. I still got to cut this off right here. This little, I don't know, race thing right here. I think I have a tool for that. I'm not quite sure. About 3 or 4 years ago, I did it for the EK and I don't remember it being this hard. So let me just show you guys what I got set up here. Oh, this one's a wheel bearing press. You guys can pick that up. I don't know. I had this when I did the EK. I still had a bunch of these wheel drive axle nut removers. I don't know. These are nice to have. The press we just got, so I'll show you guys this. And if you guys follow me, here's the old shield right here. We're probably gonna paint that and reuse it. Here is a ball joint press. I did pick this one up probably 2 months ago because I know I was gonna do this. So this is my setup right here, my table, I guess. So let's come over here. All right, so this is the other side. Bring it over here. We're gonna start by removing this pin here. It's all corroded, so we might just end up cutting it, or it's broken already. You can kind of tell. I'll try and just guide you guys through the important part, and you guys can just follow along with the video. All right, try and pull this out. Hold up, this side might come out, it might not, I don't know. Nope, it broke. All right, it ain't coming out. I'm just gonna cut it. Bring this over here. Should I wear these? Throw some glasses on. All right, takes care of that. We do have new lower control arms, so we don't need these. So let's go ahead and hit this here, see if it comes out. Sometimes you just got a treater like that. Remove the brake caliper. We're not going to be using that. And if you didn't know, we're going to be using DC5R Brembos. The battery is probably low on that. That's probably why it sucks. See if we can use this one from Harbor Freight. Of course, they want to be stuck. Get off of there. Let's get the ABS off of here. 10 millimeter. Pretty easy. They already got the screws off of here, so this rotor should come off, but I'm pretty sure it's seized on there. Smash it like this. There you go. That is really bad. So you're gonna need a socket like this. This one's a 30 millimeter. So you want to hit it here. You want this to fit on there perfectly like that, just on this inner part right here. So I got these jack stands set up right here. Like I told you guys, I already did this once, so you know what I'm saying? I had to deal with the BS trying to figure this shit out. I know, guys, I have a press. The problem with the press is I don't have like shims. I don't have anything to like fit in between here. You see right here? Like I don't have anything to build it up and nudge in there. Like I'm just not set up for that. So I do have the press, but I can't even use it because I just don't have, you know what I'm saying? I don't have the correct stuff. I don't know. So it didn't really work out for that. But when we press it in, it should work out nicely. I'm using 3 jack stands. Play whack-a-mole with this stupid thing. Keep hitting it there. This is, if you guys are wondering, 3-pound hammer. I believe it's 3. There we go. These better be OEM, because I'm gonna be pissed. When they're not OEM, this right here is different, like the opening. You're right here. I kind of just use this opening here to get these out since we're gonna replace them. So just one at a time. There we go, 2 of them. This is called a impact screwdriver. So you want to get yourself one of these, Harbor Freight, $8. Don't even try with a regular screwdriver because you're gonna just strip them. And it comes out just like that. There we go. That's 2. That one was pretty bad. Try this one. Look at that. Look what Harbor Freight gets you. The shield broke off anyways. All right. Bring this over to the workstation. Again, guys, I did this once already today, so I kind of got the hang of it. You're gonna need one of these kits. Astro ball joint 7897, I don't know. So I think this is the one we need. Spread this. There we go. Let's try smashing this thing out. Let's try something a little different right now. It might actually work. Set this up on here or something. Maybe step on it. This side, oh, it did kind of work. All right, let's give it a couple more hits. I lied. It did work. All right, so there we go. We got to remove this ring right here. This thing again, I got to go grab like 6 of these because they keep breaking. I got my money's worth for this. I got like 3 of these. I went around, right, all the way around and kind of just hit it everywhere. Like that. All right, so once I like hit it all the way around, I kind of just placed this right here. You see where the little circle is? I kind of put this here at an angle, kind of like that, and I hit it down. See how it came out of there? So then I went to this side. See how both of them came out? So then got this stupid screwdriver thing. There we go. There we go. So hopefully that helped you guys getting that out. And this got to get pressed out this way. I use one of these in here. These are from this kit right here. The wheel bearing separator thing. I don't know. These are for my jack stands. If you guys were wondering, I don't know. So kind of just like that. We're going to press this out. You should be able to see it, or you might be able to hear it. You guys hear that? So just got started coming out. Yeah, we're gonna have to take this rotor out. I'll get lower so you guys can see it drop through. Damn. All right, we're all done. These are both out. I'm undecided if I should powder coat them. I think we are. We're probably gonna do something funky, maybe a yellow, pink, I don't know, whatever. It's my girl's car, so we'll probably clean those up. Why not? We're already there. We got plenty of stuff to do to keep us busy. We got to pull these bearing things off. I don't know, whatever these things are called. I believe I did pick up a tool for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and find that and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, so I don't know where I put that thing where you can just pull this off, but basically it's like a bracket like this, and or I think it's like this. I don't really know, but it pulls this little race off of here. But your other option is you can cut this. So you can cut it like this at an angle and cut it like that. I was trying to avoid that because I didn't want to ruin this here. Ton of videos on YouTube on how to do it. Let's bring these over here, see if these are OEM. Sometimes you buy an RSX and some people go like the easy route and they don't want to cut this off and do all that, so they just buy these brand new with the studs already on them. But a way you can know if these are OEM or not is if these fit in here perfectly. And yeah, these do. So these are OEM hubs, and we'll go ahead and check this one. And yeah, that's perfect. The aftermarket ones, the hole right here will be a lot bigger. And if you guys are looking for extended studs, these are right here, 177/12. Those are the ones you're gonna need. And you're gonna need 20 of these because again, we're converting over to 5 lug. And the reason for extended studs, you could run spacers without the studs on them and stuff like that. So you could just buy spacers and don't have to worry about the studs. Also, for the front, we're gonna be running Brembos. So when you're running Brembos, you're gonna have to run a spacer to clear them. Right here, you guys see the difference? Unless you have like the correct offset for your wheels, but that's not always the case. You have to be like precise with that and most of the time you're not going to get it right. One other thing we need to check is this right here. So the Moog does have a snap ring. Let's double check and make sure that these are going to fit in here. So that's going to work. Again, we're running a 02 to 04 RSX. If you're running 05, 06, the only difference is this right here, your lower control arm, the gap in here, or the hole right here is a lot bigger on the 05, 06. We'll go ahead and confirm these will fit, you know, might as well, we're already here. Timken, that's the one I always go with. That's gonna work perfect right there. So let's go ahead and check the other one. Be good, man. Yeah, you could just test fit it like this. So that's perfect. So everything is gonna work. We can go ahead and put everything back. So I'm not sure if this is the end of this video. I don't know yet until I edit this. But if this is the end of the video, hopefully this walked you guys through everything. If you guys don't have like most of this stuff, I would just probably stay away from a job like this and bring it somewhere. I'm doing it because I probably will have future builds. It'll probably be a week or so, maybe 2 weeks before I get those back. I'll probably make another video for like installing everything back on there. So like the studs, the ball joints, the wheel bearings, we'll make a video for that. But anyways, I want to thank you guys. If you're new here, subscribe. You guys already know the deal. If you're already commenting on my videos, if you're already liking them, I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Everyone be safe, take care. Bye, guys.